everyone, Sarah here again today, and I am playing with the Summer Loving Kit for Mercy Tiara Kit Club. These watercolors are actually from a past kit. They are Prima Marketing metallic watercolors. I'm using the white and a little bit of the black on my background. I did choose to use one of the yellow pieces that's a Simple Stories cardstock that comes in the cardstock add-on. That's what I'm using for my background, and I actually didn't choose to use the polka dotted side. I chose to use the plain side. Love the texture on these. It's gorgeous. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and cut this down. I'm going to cut chunks of paper down and really rough up the edges. But I kind of do that. I'm not used to cutting big chunks of paper, but I thought I would try something a little different. I had kind of drawn up a sketch and it made it start real easily. So yeah, I mean, it works for me. I like the colors. I like the fact that they're warm and they're summery. It's just gorgeous. I love it. And so I went ahead with that, and I'm kind of doing this all on the white of my desk instead of the layout itself because those splatters are still wet and I don't want to rub them off. Now, right now, I went ahead and cut a part out of one of the papers, and I fussy cut the good vibes out, and that's what I'm going to use as my title. And then I went through with my, what is this called? I keep forgetting. My Micron pen, and drew lines around everything. And now that the stuff is dry, or at least mostly dry, I'm going to go ahead and add some adhesive and start sticking these things down so that I can continue on with my layout. And this layout does really come together extremely fast. Like I said, I've said this before, I do my sketches so that, I have fun with it for one. Oh, wow, I'm just noticing how off that is. I have fun with it for one, but I also don't always get a ton of time to scrap. And so when I do get to sit down and scrap, I like to be able to get a bunch of it done. It makes me happy, and it actually is relaxing. And having my sketches kind of makes it a little easier, a little less stressful, not worrying that I have to get so much done or anything like that. It's just all fun and relaxing, and it kind of takes some of the guesswork out of it at the time. I went ahead and outlined it around the main cardstock, the yellow. I went ahead and pulled a couple of those tickets you saw me pull out there and stick it next to the photos. And right now I'm going through the Simple Stories ephemera from the kit, and I'm just adding a few pieces here and there, just a little bit of layering. I really don't do a whole ton on here. But I am going to use that, and I know I love that in my unboxing. I love that they have a little tag there that's in with it, and I'm actually going to add that little piece that I just stuck there. It says a summer of fun, and I'm going to stick that on that label. I'm going through the other ephemeras and trying to figure out what I want to use. I'm going to pull a couple of these flowers and add them around the left side of my photos, and I think one or two on the right hand side as well. Yep, there goes the pink one, and then I add a little bit of greenery as well. Let's see, where am I going? Yep, there's the orange one. I wanted it to go behind that little label that was there. I didn't like the little gap. I added a little greenery over there on the right-hand side. And I'm going to rough all of these up just to see, well, not really just to see anything, because that's just who I am, and I like to rough my edges up, and I like them to stick up. So, yeah, that's why I'm doing that. So I'm going to go ahead and just keep roughing up all these edges. And as I go, I'm just going ahead and adding a little bit of adhesive to like the base of these things like I always do, so that the edges stick up. I like that. I like the, the dimension and everything of it. I like that everything doesn't sit flat. It is really bugging me that I used glue and those orange pieces are not, lined up. I will deal with it, but... I'm noticing it now that I'm watching the process, and it's glued down. So unless I really want to ruin the background or the papers, it's staying where it's at for right now. So yeah, that's okay. I'll deal with it. Roughing up a few more pieces, making sure these stick down where I want them, and I'm going to stick my photos down. I'm going to stick some foam behind this photo so that it pops up, and then I'll go ahead and glue it down as well. And then I gotta make sure my title gets down. And then after I do my title, if you watch the unboxing or seen anybody else's unboxing, the sequins this month are just absolutely gorgeous. I love them. I was looking at the sticker sheet thinking I might use them, but I put that down and I just started sprinkling these around. There are little fruits and stuff in it. I did not use the fruits on this layout. I probably should have, though. It would have worked, but there's cute little flowers in there and everything, and I'm not going to make you watch me put every single one of these down or anything like that. But I love these sequins. They're gorgeous, and I think that they were perfect for the layout, so I really did use quite a few of them. But that does finish this layout for me. So I really hope that you enjoyed this. I know it was super fast and I got off subject multiple times, but if you enjoyed this, please remember to like and subscribe. Make sure to check out the links below and check out the kits for yourself. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.